Hey everybody, we're over at Rich's again. It's Saturday. Girls are having a garage sale over there, as you can see. Big Daddy don't want nothing to do with that. But I got the nose cone mold out. Surprisingly, after all the years of it being covered up, it's still in good shape. So we got a little chip here, and just from the edges, but no biggie. I mean, that part gets cut out anyway. We're not making a complete nose. We're just making a section to fill up the holes in the nose cone for the go-kart. So we're just going to lay up a little partial. We've already pre-cut 2 layers, 1.5 ounces. The whole side to side is 13 inches. This is 15, so even if we get it a little wrong, we'll be okay. And we're going to go, right up into that radius. The hole on the nose actually stops, but we just want to be sure we're going to get it covered. So we'll put those 2 layers in. We'll probably throw this extra stuff on too. Anyway, from doing all that grinding and adding that strip in the middle when we split the air box in 2, we actually added a lot of thickness up there. So we can put a couple. We'll just use it, whatever, or we'll use it on old Snorkel Buddha over there. But that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna lay this up first, and maybe I'll bring you a little of that since I didn't get to bring you the laying up of the fiberglass bit. I did record spraying the gel, and that turned out well, but the battery on the old camera here went dead as soon as it was time to lay up the glass. So maybe we'll bring you a little bit of this. Let me get set up, and we'll bring you a little fiberglass action. Talk to y'all.